The year was 1970. A lad, all of 19, stepped out from the cocooned world of his small town existence in Uttar Pradesh and stepped into the capital of the country to make a mark of his own. Little did anyone knew that the impression will be so deep that it will be etched forever into a million of hearts, even after he is gone. Lion Dr. Rajendra Agarwal was a spirited, curious, and an avid learner all his life. He earned degrees in BSc, MA Economics, and also went on to pursue diploma in advertising and journalism. He further pursued PhD from Trinity College, California, USA. These credentials helped him in establishing Censor Advertising Private Limited as one of the most respected agencies in the industry. He held the Honorable Treasurer's post in Advertising Agencies Guild. A very purposeful website catering to the need of the hour, agarwalmatrimonial.com, also is his brainchild. Dr. Rajendra Agarwal was owner of an endearing and infectious smile, a fun-loving person who loved to travel. He had visited all the major countries of the world. He indulged in lots of sports and fitness. Badminton was his favorite sport. In the year 1990, he participated in the Himalayan car rally for the blinds and received trophy from late Shri Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi. Calm, composed, and dapper, his demeanor enchanted one and all. His motto in life was, help all, tease none. सबकी मदद करो, किसी को परेशान मत करो. He is the author of two very interesting books, अच्छे लोगों के साथ बुरा क्यों होता है and अच्छे वक्ता कैसे बने. These books are very popular amongst readers. He was on advisory board of many newspaper magazines and publication houses like Nazare Dilli, Swatantra Disha Patra, Ardhangini Magazine, Jyoti Parv Prakashan, Vaishya Panorama, Meri Dilli, and Vaishya Sansar. Lion Dr. Rajendra Agarwal joined Lionism in 1993. He nurtured his home club, Lions Club Pitampura South, like his own. He successfully held several important posts in the service of Lionism. 15 years before, Lion Dr. Rajendra Agarwal developed the concept of waste to wishes in Lionism. Give your junk items to someone needy. Under the signature project of Lions Club International, Food for Hunger, he used to organize bhandaras for the needy. While serving in Lionism, Dr. Lion Rajendra Agarwal worked in key areas like healthcare. He worked hand in hand with the now Union Minister of Health, Dr. Harshvardhan, on projects like prevention of diabetes, female hygiene, eye screening camps, and general health checkup camps. Under Lion's Quest, he taught several needy kids. He regularly sponsored fees of many underprivileged students and donated computers, school bags, school shoes, stationery, and also chaired several competitions for kids. Artificial limb donation was also done by the club to differently abled individuals. He always motivated women to come forward and take the reins of power in their hands. To enable girls to become self-reliant, swing machines and cycles were provided by him. He also worked actively for tree plantation drives. He had published work of several new writers free of charge. Dr. Lion Rajendra Agarwal was president of Lions Blood Bank in the year 2016 and held the post till his demise on 3rd June 2020. He has been instrumental in collection of a staggering 30,000 units of blood voluntarily every year, which helps save almost 75,000 lives annually. He even motivated people to donate blood through his videos on his YouTube channel Sabka Sathi Rajendra. In his Lionistic journey, he attended several prestigious summits and seminars. He addressed 10,000 lion delegates from 63 nations at Esame, Kolkata. He was the recipient of International President's Appreciation Certificate 12 times. He was decorated with International President's Pin 9 times. Awarded District Governor's Medal 12 times. Winner of International President's Leadership Medal year 2012. Appreciation Award for Highest Blood Collection. Ambassador of Humanity Award. His popularity in the district was such that he was known as Janpad Chanakya. He was associated with many social organizations like Vice President of Indraprasth Sanjeevani NGO, President Harshvihar Cooperative House Building Society, Founder Trustee Lions Blood Bank, Founder Trustee Shri Agrasen International Hospital, Founder Trustee Shri Action Balaji Hospital, Member of Press Club of India. He was also a zealous contributor to Prime Minister's Prime Project Namami Gange. He was felicitated with a memento from Honorable Minister Mahesh Sharma ji for this project. He contributed to the great endeavour of Clean India, Green India. This work brought him the coveted Shining India Award from MP Shrimati Meenakshi Lekhi ji. Dr. Kiran Bedi, Governor of Puducherry, also conferred him with Lifetime Support Pratibha Award. He was also the recipient of KPS Gill National Award 2017. The AAS Foundation also felicitated him for his work in healthcare. In 2018, he was awarded Bharat Seva Ratan Award by Central Minister Colonel V.K. Singh and Kadiya Munda ji. Year 2019 brought him another laurel in the form of Indian Ideal Atal National Award 2019 conferred for his excellent service to humanity. He also received other awards from many stalwarts like late Shri Bhairav Singh Shekhawat, President of India, late Honorable Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Prime Minister of India, Dr. Murli Manohar Joshi, Union Minister Shri Nitin Gadkari ji, late Shrimati Sheila Dikshit ji, CM of Delhi, Shri Shatrughan Sinha ji, MP, Lieutenant Governor Delhi Shri Tejinder Khanna, Shri Yoganand Shastri, MLA Nand Kishore Garg ji. The canvas of some lives is so vast that it cannot be summarized and panned out in a few minutes. They come, they serve, they enlighten the path for others. In the words of Henry Wordsworth Longfellow, when a great man dies, for years the light he leaves behind him lies on the path of other